Hello everyone. Today, when unlock is going on all across the country, it is important that we understand that our safety is the utmost priority, and for that, understanding different types of masks and understanding how they are different from each other is very important. Today, we see this 2-ply, 3-ply, N95, so many different types of masks. It is important that we understand how they are different from each other and what are their different advantages, what are their disadvantages. When we see this 2-ply mask, that means there are two layers. When we see this 3-ply mask, there are three layers. Within this 3-ply mask, there are masks which are having bacterial filter in between, which is made of melt blown. How do we know whether the mask is having melt blown layer or not? We can see it against light, or we can cut it with the help of a scissors. If we get a white layer in between, then we can be sure that yes, this mask is having the melt blown layer. At the same time, there are masks which are N95 masks. If we remember correctly, recently there were a lot of discussion around this with valve, without valve, this type of discussion in news channels. Many big institutes were raising concerns against this exhalation valve. So let us see what exactly they try to mean. When anyone who is already infected is wearing this type of mask, which is N95 but having an exhalation valve, then what is the challenge? When they are wearing this, then when they are breathing out the carbon dioxide, along with the carbon dioxide, the infected droplets can also come out through this exhalation valve, because this exhalation valve does not filter the exhale air, it lets the exhale air simply go out, and that's a challenge. Although it gives an ease of breathing, but at the same time at the cost of the safety of others when it is being used by anyone who is already infected. Let us see this type of mask. These are N95 masks, but it does not have any exhalation valve. This type of masks are majorly used by healthcare professionals. These masks are very safe, but anyone who is using this mask for the first time, for them it is very difficult for wearing for longer period of time. It is not easy to wear for longer period of time for them. Now all these masks are generally having this type of nose pins. Now what is the utility of these nose pins? We should be careful about that. While wearing this mask, we should fit this nose pin properly. This nose pin gets the shape of a nose and minimizes the chances of air leakage from this side and this side, and that's how it gives us better safety. Now a very simple question to all of you: can any mask give complete protection or 100% protection? The answer is a very big no. Even N95 mask, the name N95 suggests that it gives 95% protection against those particles which are of more than 3 micron size. So that means no mask gives 100% protection. This is for sure. And that is why even if we are wearing mask, we should be mindful of keeping social distancing as being suggested by many government bodies. We should stick to it. Now, to know more about different types of masks, to know more about other safety measures, I am trying to give you some of the links in my description box. Please go there, visit them, and know more about this safety measures. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your other friends, because the sole intent of creating this video is to create awareness so that you and people who are around you stay safe. Stay safe. Thank you.